Namaste students. Hope you all fine. Myself Saranya. I'm your EVS teacher. Today we are going to see the lesson The World of Plants. So about plants we are going to see in this lesson children. First, read the paragraph. We see so many plants around us. They are our friends. We must take care of them. So children, in your home also uh, you will be planting some plants, right children, that you have to take care of that. Sometimes you have to speak to that so it can hear everything and it will grow healthy. Okay children, always you should pour water and take care of them. Part of plants. The plant has two parts, the stem and the root. The stem is above the ground. It has leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. The root is below the ground. So, children, we are going to see what are the parts in our plant. So, see the plant, children. So, under the ground, root is there. So, above the root, one green stem is going on, right, children? So, this is called stem. This is fruit, leaves, flowers, and this one is called bud. So, this is the part of the plant. So, what are the part of the plant? Roots, stem, bud, flowers, leaf, and fruit. Okay, children. Next, leaves prepare food for the plant. So for plants also it needs some food to grow, right children? So for that leaves will prepare the food. So what are the types of plants we are going to see here? Very big and strong plants are called trees. So which and all plant is like a very big and strong plant? That is called trees. What is the first tree name? This is mango tree. And the second one is neem tree. And the third one is banyan. So these have very big in size and a strong plant. So we are called it as trees. Some plants are small. They have hard stem and are strong. They are called scrubs and bushes. So children, see, some plants will be very small in size, but they have very hard stems. So for example, sunflower, hibiscus, and rose. So these have very small in size but have hard stems. So these are called scrubs and bushes. So what are they? Sunflower, hibiscus, and rose. Next, some plants are small but weak. They are called herbs. They have a soft green stem. So, some plants are very small in size but also very weak also. So, it will be having a very soft green stems. So, that type of plants we will call it as herbs. Example, mint and grasses. So these items we will call it as herbs. Some plants are weak, cannot stand straight on their own. They need support to grow. So some plants are very weak. Even it can't be in a straight. Some support it wants. So that type of plants will be climb up taking the support of walls or other plants or a stick. So nearby any wall is there means it will be growing with the support of the wall or any other plants. So this type of plants we will call it as climbers. So for example, pea plant, grapevine, and money plant. So these plants ha- are weak and it cannot stand straight. Some support they want. So these types of plants are called climbers. Next, some plants grow along the ground. They are called creepers. So it is like climbers, but it will not take the support of any other. It will be growing in the ground itself. So these types of plants are called creepers. Example, pumpkin, watermelon. So next we are going to see about food for plants. So plant how they are getting food. Plants need food to grow. So how we need food to grow? Like that plants also need food to grow. They make their own food with the help of air, water, soil and sunlight. So how it will prepare food means with the help of air, water which we are pouring to the plants and soil and sunlight. So let's see how a seed grows into a new plant. So see the picture children. The first one is a seed. Next one, the small sampling is coming out. The next picture, it becomes two leaves and the root also little bit big. And the last, it it grow into a planet and having a long root also. So this is the steps to grow from seed to new plant. Okay children, did you understood? Next, here one poem is there. So shall we sing? In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep. So how the seed is how we are planting? We are planting in very deep. So like that, in the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine. So after that, it will be sleeping in the ground, right, children? After that, sunshine is telling to the seed, wake up. So and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. A little plant heard, and it rose to see what a wonderful outside world might be. So, children, sing along with me. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. A little plant heard, and it rise to see what a wonderful outside world might be. So, this is the song you have to sing and you have to send it in the group. Okay, children? Next, trees make the air fresh and clean. Should we plant more trees in our neighborhood? So, children, how this tree is helping to us? It, the trees are helping us by giving a fresh air and the clean air. So you can plant more trees in your neighborhoods. Okay, children. Next, we are going to see what are the uses of plants. So plants gives us many useful things. We'll see what are they. First, from the plant only we are getting tea. So tea leaves. Next, fruits, cotton, flowers, coffee, shade, vegetables, wood, and nest home for other animals. So these are all things we are getting from plants. So what are they? Tea, fruit, cotton, flowers, coffee, shade, vegetables, wood, and home for other animals. So, children, the plants are giving more useful things to us, right? So, shall we plant more plants in our area? So, in your area also or in your home, plant many plants. Okay, children? Here is your exercise time. So, tick the correct answer. Plants that are strong and big are called what? Which is strong and big? It is called trees. Plants that have soft stems are called herbs. Plants that are small and have hard stems are called scrubs. Plants that have weak stem and need support to grow are called climbers. So, copy all your answers, children. Next, write whether the following plants are trees, scrubs, herbs, creepers, or climbers. So, children, you have to do this. This is your homework. So, we saw about what type of trees, scrubs are there, right? So, with the example of that, you have to write these things. This is your homework. Okay, children? Next, shall we label the parts of the plant? Come. First, one is flowers. Next, this side is bud. Next one, leaf. Next, stem. Next thing is fruit. And the final one is root. So these are the parts of plants. Okay, children? So copy your answers. So children, this is your activity. So you have to plant one small plant in your home. So for that you have to sow 8 to 10 grams of any seeds in a ice cream cup. So you will be having ice cream cups in the home, right, children? So in that ice cream cup, fill with mud and add some 8 to 10 grams of seed in it and water it daily. Keep it in a sunlight. What do you see after a few days? You have to take the picture of that and you have to send it in the group. Okay, children? This is your activity. And the second activity is you have to draw and label the picture of any one plant in your scrapbook. So we have labeled the parts of the plants, right, children? So like that you have to draw the plant and you have to label the parts. Okay, children, this is also your activity. So children, you have to do your activity. Okay, children. That's all, children. Hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you.